This 2022 Forest River Rockwood Rue 183 is an expandable trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 7 inches in length and features a brown, white interior, sleeps 8, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, TV, skylight, leveling jacks, smoke detector, refrigerator, oven, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this expandable trailer RV features mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Rockwood Rue 183 is 4,259 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.